Okay, mga clear, wait, meron pa ako dito. Okay, dito. Okay, konti lang to mga clear. Kasi, si Marcoleta kasi, mga clear. Ito. Bandang dulo, ayaw siyang mag-identify nito. Na minutes ba to?
What can you share with the committee?
Yan.
Thank you very much. Mr. Chair,
Si Senator
I would like to answer any
kasi,
questions.
I would like to
binigyan ng chance itong si Senator, si Congressman Leviste. Despite the fact na supposed to be the authenticity is still ongoing. Ongoing pa, di ba?
Nice, the Honorable Congressman from the first district, Batangas, Congressman Leandro. What can you share with the committee?
Oh, thank
What
you
can
very
you
much.
share? Diba? What can you share? Yung mga dokumento to under ano pa investigation sa ombudsman, di ba? Di ba mas okay? Sa akin lang mga clear, with all due respect to Senator Lacson, okay lang yan. Pero hindi ba mas okay kung manggagaling na sa ombudsman yung records? Or sa DPWH? Not from him. Di ba? Not from him. Ha? Tingnan natin. May sinabi dito si Marcoleta, Senator Marcoleta, and I agree kay Senator Marcoleta.
Mr. Chair, I would be glad to answer any questions that you might have, specifically on the contents of the Cabral files. I also understand that DPWH is here, so perhaps they will be also well positioned to lead the discussion. But with Secretary Manny Bonoan here also, I believe this is a great opportunity to learn more about how the system of the budget allocations have worked. And I have here a printout of the list of over 17,000 projects, and they're actually divided into 12 major tags. Mr. Chair, it would be worth reading the major tags. There is a allocable of 401.3 billion, BNI 10 of 6 billion, BIP on top of 33.4 billion, Senti 2025 of 100 billion, F1 61.20, SM, another copy that I've seen.
Are you familiar with the documents read out by Congressman Leviste?
No, Mr. Chair. We have no copy
If
of.
you're shown a copy,
O see, pinaalagwa ni Senator Lacson. Hindi pa niya alam kung yung kopya minabasa ni Congressman Leviste, yun din yung may kopya ng DPWH. Diba?
can you attest to the authenticity of the document? Page, pakibigay nga isang kopya sa kay Undersecretary.
Diba? Kung if you, sa akin lang mga clear okay lang if the DPWH has the same copy, hindi ba mas okay na ang DPWH na ang pagbasahin ni Senator Lacson? Why Congressman Leviste? Diba? Why Congressman Leviste? Kung nandiyan yung DPWH, they have the copy, bakit hindi DPWH?
This is just a print out po.
Just take your seat. Makita natin kung for the DPWH to examine the documents.
Mr. Chair, while the DPWH is also here, we also have the budget per district summary, which was also obtained from them that maybe the page can also give them.
Yeah. We are comparing the documents now, and what we have is the second batch of documents pertaining to the district allocations budget allocations per district.
O, di ba? Per district allocations, pero sila yung second batch daw. Second batch, sa public document yan, mga clear. Walang problema yan.
To the first set of files given to us, we have no personal knowledge of these files.
Can you make a quick perusal?
The first set of files given to us,
First
we have
step, wala silang alam. Okay?
no personal knowledge of these
Can
files.
you make a quick perusal para ma-determine nyo alin ba dyan yung pwede nyo agad na masabing ang source talaga DPWH at masabi nyo
Mr. Chair, ito pong pangalawang set of files, we can validate. Ito po yung hawak ko ngayon. Ito pong first set, we will have to look into this. But I would surmise baka ito po yung galing sa computer ni late Secretary.
Yeah. So yung second batch, we can allow him to proceed, to
Yes, Mr. Chair.
digest. O kaya iparinig sa atin.
O, di ba? Ipaparinig niya pa through Congressman Leviste. Why nga siya? Kung ang authority dito, mga clear, ay yung DPWH. The DPWH na dyan it has the said copy, same copy. So why allow Congressman Leviste to discuss the matter when nandiyan yung DPWH na siyang authority?
Public hearing na ito, kung ano yung nilalaman. Yung second batch daw, okay lang.
Mr. Chair, yung second batch actually na post na rin sa Facebook noong Desyembre at
Or ng Blue Ribbon. So you can discuss the second batch of documents if you wish. If not, then it's okay. So we can...
Bakit nga? Di ba sa akin ang mga, bakit nga? Why allow him?
be happy to answer any questions along that you may have po. But may I also add, Mr. Chair, that
Mr. Chair,
Yan, ito,
Mr. Chair,
mag-reply dito mga clear.
the good congressman will be the one to identify or talk about the contents of the files. I don't think he is competent because
Yun, tama si Senator Marcoleta dito. Hindi siya yung tao. He's not the proper person. He's not a competent person. Talaga pag sa court yan, mga clear, may isang tao na may files lang. Tapos yung authority, DPWH. Tapos pagtetestapayin mo yung tao nakakuha lang ng dokumento. He's not competent to testify on that. May authority to testify that nandyan na yung DPWH. Dapat DPWH na pinagbasa mo. Yun. So na to, para umalagwa? Para ma-justify sa tao na yung kopya niya, kopya rin ng DPWH? public document naman yun eh. Yung public document, pwedeng basahin ng DPWH yan. Diba? May mga files siya na hindi pa na-authenticate ng ombudsman, hindi pa na-authenticate ng DPWH. Yung second batch, yung DPWH na magsabi, total kanyang files yun at inallow daw siya. At totoo naman, meron man letter na inaallow siya patungkol sa 2025 proposed budget ng DPWH at the time ng Secretary Vince. 2026 pala, going 2026. Diba?
He is not part of the DPWH. He's
No, tama. He's not part of the DPWH. Hindi siya competent. Hindi siya he's not the authority.
not even a staff of DPWH. It has nothing to do with the preparation of the entries, the consolidation of the reports.
Yes, tama. Mga Chris, talagang ito, tama ito. Hindi authority, walang authority, itong si Leviste, hindi siya part ng DPWH. Hindi rin siya part kung paano ito nabuo. Hindi siya part kung paano ito na-consolidate. He has no personal knowledge. DPWH nag-prepare nito. DPWH ang pag-testifyin mo, nandyan eh. So minsan isipin mo, bakit siya? Is it because his mom called you? Para, matrain mo kung paano maging hindi bara-bara? Di ba? Isa yun point. Pero tama dito si Senator Marcoleta.
He has no personality to testify. I think
He has no personality to testify.
what he can testify is limited only on how he was able to obtain the files.
Yan. Kaya hindi siya pinigilan dun. Tinanong siya kung paano mo na-acquire yung files because may personal knowledge siya dun kung paano niya kinuha yung files.
From
Mga krimaiksilan to. Pero alam ko mahaba pa to. Pero ito yung pinakasama rin yan. You get the point? So siguro, no, ito, procedure to mga clear na sinasabi natin. Kaya ako tinake up ito. Bakit kailangan siyang hadlangan? Hinadlangan siya not because he just wanted to block him. No. Sa pagta-testify, ang may authority lang or merong personality to testify, una, personal knowledge mo. Pangalawa, kung part ka ng agency. Diba? Part ka ng agency. Paano ito na-prepare? Wala ka dun eh. Kinuha mo lang eh. So you can testify on that. Diba? Kahit i-mention mo yan, hindi. Nandyan ka lang, sinabi mo may kopya ka. Sinabi naman ng DPWH yung second batch, meron itong mga allocations, may kopya po kami niyan. Pero itong first batch na sinasabi niya, hindi kami familiar dyan. Diba? Yun. Kaya tama po dito si Senator Marcoleta na hindi niya inallow mag-testify with regard to the content, no, of that documents issued or from the DPWH. Yun. Yun lang gusto ko ipakita sa inyo na si Senator Marcoleta dito, tama.